First ball. Wala ng Alicante. Number 7, pass Nicolas. To number 13, Suryo will fire. Suryo will miss and a rebound. Alicante pa rin. No. Basket is good. The whistle blown. It's Paul 27 Batalya. Ball is thrown no good. It's number 13 now on the ball. Number 13, the pass to Nicolas. Back to number 13 to number 7. Number 7 will fire. No good from the Fury. Nicolas on the rebound and put back. A whistle was blown. And for Nicolas, number 24. First throw, all net para kay number 24. Ay, second throw. Split charity para kay number 24. Here comes Biscay. Number 29, rather. Number 29. Dito mo ng bola. It's number 27. 10 seconds on the shot clock. CTR firing and missing. Rebound by Nicolas. And a pass to number 7. Number 7 now up and running. Number 7, Arce on the layup for 2. The ball was stolen. All alone is number 13 on the layup, no good. Arce, blue, tatang inabot. Shot was blocked. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound pass, number 7. Receiving and Robbie Ring. Pass to number 1, Pass to number 29, drop pass. Number 27, Batalya. On the spin shot, no good. Tapingan ang bola sa ilalim. Here comes number 7. No good on the lefty. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Nicolas. Nicolas driving, creating a space. Nicolas, a good drop shot. It's good for 2. 5-2 in favor of Alicante. It's number 1. Fires up. That's number 1. Ball 3. Armendez. It's number 13. Pass to Nicolas. To Arce. 15 on the shot clock. Nice find kay number 13. On the fade away, that's good for 2. Libunao now on the ball. To number 9, Santiago back to Libunao. Libunao firing and missing. Rebound by Mercado. Mercado to Nicolas. Nicolas driving. Nice pass to Mercado. Sa ilalim kay number 32. No good on the shot. And Libunao now on the ball. Libunao. Number 27, Batalya on the spin around. No good. It's Arce. Arce on the attack. Always in favor of Alicante, Nicolas. Number 13. After Nicolas, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Nicolas firing. Nicolas for 3. Official score is 10-5. 5-point lead para sa Alicante. Armendez on the reverse layup. A whistle was blown and nobody again. Rebound para sa Alicante. 5 minutes exactly on the first quarter. It's Arce on the ball. Arce given a speed by Mercado. Arce stepping back on the attack. 10-5 is the official score. 5-point lead para sa Team Alicante. Rebound Mercado. So Arce. Arce being hounded by number 16. 10 seconds on the shot clock. On the crossover, whistle blown. A pushing foul was committed by numbers.
Batalya, back to Sitar. Sitar ngayon, pumasok sa loob. Gandang pasa. Nakulot number 1, Fernandez. Wala. Number 7, layup is good. Armendez ngayon, ganap naman para sa pass to number 29. Sitar. Pass to number 27 for 3, wala. Agawan na rebound. Ulot na number 8. Ayan ngayon si Candelaria. Candelaria ngayon po intercept by jersey number 27. Castillo! Pero may foul. Pangalawa, pumasok. Number 7 ang tatanggap. Number 7, crossover. Pumasok sa loob. Wala, tapping ka ng bola. Candelaria for the pullback. Pabandang tira is good. Gatchilian yun. Setting the play. Back to Gatchilian. Gatchilian for 3. Wala. Agawan na rebound. Vidal lang mananay. Vidal, pass to Arce. Arce ngayon, bumangga. Score po natin, official, 14-6. Okay, pumasok po. 56 na po yung score natin. Pangalawang pukol ni Arce. Sumak na sok pa rin yan. The play. Pass to jersey number 77. Daniel. Gatchilian yan, umikot. Gatchilian to number 16. Going out for 3. Wala, agawan na rebound. Meron talong makakuha. Vidal ngayon. Pass to Candelaria. Pass to number 18. Uy, gandang step by number 10. Pero wala, agawan ng bola. Gatchilian, tumira. Pero may foul na sumabit by jersey number 1 minute and 50 seconds. Unang pukol ni Gatchilian, swak na swak yan. Pangalawang pukol, pumasok pa din yan. Man na magtatawid. Bilal ngayon setting the play. Looking for someone. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8, bumabangga. By foul na sumabit. By jersey. Pangalawa, swak na swak. Hernandez na setting the play. Pass to jersey number 23, Gatchilian. Gatchilian to Bamar. Gandang pa sa gitna, pero na-intercept ni number 18. Number 16, Candelaria, wala. Second personal foul, jersey number 23. Unang pukol, pumasok. Pangalawa, wala. Agawan ng bola. Pero may foul na nakita sa ref. Number 16. Castillo for the rebound. Pass to Gatchilian. Wala pumasok. Gatchilian. Setting the play. Gatchilian for 3. Wala. Agawan na rebound. Number 8 ang mananaig. Vidal ngayon. Last 1 minute. Vidal to Candelaria. Candelaria ganda pa sa gilid. Pero lumabas. Gatchilian. Naghahanap ng mapapasa. Pass to jersey number 77. Number 77 nga pumasok. Umikot. Magandang depensa pero may 47 seconds. Unang pukol. Sukat na sukat. Pangalawa. Vidal ngayon to De Leon. De Leon to number 18. Number 18 size 7 more. Is good. Napakalandang step ginawa. Number 77, take. For 3, wala. Last 20 seconds tayo. Shot luck iso. Okay, last throw. Wala. Rebound. Seconds. Po natin, 2010. Lamang po ang number 8 niya, setting the play, Fernandez. Pastor Mendez. Sita na ngayon, for Jawagos. Good. Number 7, setting the play. Pass to Vidal. Vidal for 3. Wala. Agawan ng rebound. Number 27 ang mananaig. Number 27 yun. Naghanap ang mababasa. Agawan ng buko. Number 18 na ako ha. Intercept ni number 15. Number 15 to number 27. Super insist ng magtatawid. Vidal ngayon setting the play. Looking for someone. Pasa sa gitna. Number 18. Tumira pero may foul. Arce ngayon, fake. 10 to shoot tayo, 10 to shoot. Arce, jumper. Wala. Agawan ng rebound. Pumasok. By jersey number 8. Hernandez. Pass to number 27. Number 27 for 3. Wala. Put back to number 15 is good. Vital ngayon. Number 8. Side jumper. Wala. Agawan ng rebound. Hernandez. Pass to Armendez. Armendez ngayon. At may kasama pang foul. 22-18. Ayan, bonus from Hernandez. 3-point play. Is it completed or not? Not complete. Vidal ngayon setting the play. Pass to jersey number 7. To number 8. Number 8, bumangga, tumira, wala. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Pass to jersey number 18. Mercado to Candelaria, wala. Number 8 for the fullback. Wala pa rin yan. Pero may foul na sumabit. Jersey number Fernandez na magtatawid. Pass to jersey number 27. Number 27, umikot. Jump shot. Fade away. Wala. Agawan ng rebound. Sitar ang makakapulot. Fernandez. Fernandez to Sitar. Sitar full of jumper. Wala. Agawan ng rebound. May nakitang number 7. Is good. Hernandez ngayon. Pass to jersey number 27. To Fernandez. To Armendez. Armendez take. Pumasok sa loob. Tumira. Pero may foul. Jersey number. Okay, follow on jersey number 8.
Video. Naka-video.
Sinabi ko ba kanina, third personal foul on jersey number 8.
Technical. Hindi. Walang pumasok. Alright, second throw is good for him. Sorio, the pass. Nice ball movement. Yep, kicks out. Mercado, Vidal, fakes. Back to number 18. 18. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Napayuhan sa ilalim at may tawag ang ating referee. Who's foul rep? (24-19) is the official score. Lamang ang Alicante. Armendez firing. Armendez! 14! Bumalik si number 7. 22-27. At may nagkaawakan na, may nag-holding hands na. A foul was committed by who? Double foul ang itatawag ng ating referee. A foul. Foul on number 27. Blue, number 13. Coach, pause po tayo konti. Coach, yeah, thank you. Tapi ka ng bola, number 7 on the ball. The pass to Vidal, Vidal will bar. Vidal no good, rebound sa ilalim. Agawa buo. And the pass to Vidal again. To number 13, nice pass kay Giao. Giao for 2. There's number 16 Castillo, napayungan, number 18 now picks up the ball. Giao kicks out to number 7. Number 7 to Surio. To Vidal, will fire. Vidal in and out. Rebound para kay number 1, pass to number 27. Batalya now on the ball. Batalya, ahead pass. Muntik na maagaw ni Surio. And may tatawag ang ating referee. A pushing foul committed by number. First throw is good para kay Batalya, number 27. Basket good. Second throw is good. Again, 2 for. There's Mercado, the pass to Nicolas. Takes on the 3. On the drive, Nicolas creating a space. Nice shot. Number 24. That's good for 2. It's Batalya on the ball. A drop pass para kay number 15 using the board. That's good for 2. Number 7 firing, missing. Not just to Batalya. No good on that layup. Mercado on the rebound. The big man. The pass to number 13. Head pass to number 7. Iniwan para kay Nicolas. Fires up a 3. No good, rebound. Pass of escape. Fernandez to Armendez. Armendez inabot yan ng foul on number 81. Mercado, second personal foul on Mercado. Penalty tayo, rep penalty. Second throw para kay Armendez. Second throw is good. There's number 18, Giao. Uncheck foul on number 9, Santiago. Second row. Second row is good. Split charity, 42. 27 in favor pa rin ng Alicante. Libono, the pass to Bongar. Tabiling yan. Es Mercado. Pass inside. At nakahawak, nahuling nakahawak si number 21. Pero para kay Giao, number 18. Well, his throw is good. Same throw, 2 for 2 para kay Giao. Second quarter pa lang po, sir. Second quarter is good. Here comes Mercado. Mercado zigzagging. Mercado on the attack. Mercado on the layup. No good, but there's a whistle. Yan. May blue eye si Parek. O ito. Ito may nakashoot. Pass break para kay Castillo. Saving the ball to the end of number 7. Number 7 on the attack. Ilio Pasayere. Number 7. That's good for 2. At nakakagaw pa pero tinamaan. 36-28 is the official score. In favor pa rin ng Alicante team. Castillo second throw, no good. Rebound para kay number 18. Number 18 behind the back pass for Mercado. Last 2 minutes sa ating second quarter. Mercado natabigan ng bola at tumama sa tuhod. 2 seconds. Oh, teka lang. Wala pang bola. Chillax lang. Castillo, the pass to Santiago. Santiago muscling his way, no good on the layup. And the rebound. Oh, 7. Hindi ng bola sa number 18. Yeah, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Yeah, one post. Talagang naipit. Mag-sub kayo, sir? Sino? Sub lang, sub. Yes, Gatchalian receiving. Gatchalian, a drop pass. Armites. Es Mercado on the ball. Pass to Suryo on the spin. What a move by Suryo, but nothing but the layup. Here comes Gatchalian. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Gatchalian fires up a drill. Little short rebound. Number 18. The pass to Suryo. Intercepted by Gatchalian. Gatchalian now up and running. Gatchalian. Tumagilid ka, sir. Foul yan. O number 18. Yeah, blocking foul. Penalty tayo. Penalty. First throw for Gatchalian is good. 59 seconds left on the second quarter. Two for two para kay number 23, 36. Espadal. 20 seconds left on the shot clock. 34 seconds. Foul na. Third personal foul para kay Gatchalian. Tatlo ka na. Number 23. First throw for Vidal. First throw. That's good. First throw for Vidal. Rebound para kay number 27. Batalya given a screen. Batalya, a pass para kay number 77 to Gatchalian. 22 seconds. 18 seconds. No good para kay number 77. 14 seconds. Again, fires up. No. Batalya. On the putback. Wala. Rebound. Oh. Jump ball. Araw possession tayo. Same ball tayo. Same ball. Same ball. Time remaining. 7 seconds left. 7 seconds. Save. Ikaw na. 7 seconds. Gatchalian firing na. No good para kay Santiago pero may tawag. Ano ang tawag, rep? Si Giao, tatlo na si Mr. Giao. First throw is good for Santiago. Steady hand. Para kay number 9. Second throw. And of the second quarter, official score natin, 37. Candelaria on the ball, pass to number 30. Pass number 3, no good, rebound. Armendez picks up the ball. Armendez, zigzagging a drop pass. Puta ang inabot. And bola pa rin ang Biskeg. Number 29, firing and missing. Rebound, picks up by number 21. Inside pass on the post. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Libunaw takes 7 seconds to shoot. Libunaw fires up. Libunaw! Go through! Here's Nicolas. Fires up. No good. Stino to Nicolas. Nicolas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nicolas, no good on the layup. Batalya. He fumbles. And nice move by Batalya. Veteran's move. Number 27. Here's Libunaw. Pies up again. Libunaw no good. Mercado on the rebound. Mercado now on the ball. Mercado will attack. Mercado in the middle. Mercado no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Number 1, Armendez on the rebound. Hindi na ito sa Batalya. Armendez. Oy. Sumun. There's Tiar. Signaling his teammates. Sa pass to Armendez. Armendez. Kita-kita. Traveling yan. Dribble muna. In Candelaria. To Mercado. Back to Candelaria to number 30. Fires up a 3. Bang! Number 30. For Green. Yeah, to number 1. Number 1. Fires up. No good. Rebound by Mercado. Here comes Mercado. Pass to Candelaria. Candelaria. Extra pass to number 30. That's good for 2. There's si Tiar. Signaling his teammate. Si Tiar, give it a screen. Si Tiar. On the drive. Oh, blocking yan. Inside pass, si Tiar. On the sideline, in and out. Tapi ka ng bola. And the ball win by Nicolas. Nicolas. There's si Tiar. The pass. Batalya kicks out. Armendez firing. Armendez missing. And Alicante, the pass to number 30. Save the ball. It's number 29 now, driving. Number 29. Oh, yeah, by Batalya. That's good for 2. Okay, sorry, substitution. It's Nicolas firing. Nicolas missing. Batalya on the ball. And a steal by number 30 to Nicolas. Nicolas naiwan sa 3. Nicolas no good. On the drive. A fake. Batalya. Basket is good. White ball, last touch on number 18. It's number 21. Batalya fires up a 3. Batalya no good. Rebound para kay Gabriel. Here comes number 13 now on the ball. Number 13. Pati mo ng bola. Looking for teammate. Pass to Arce. Arce will fire. Arce no good. Rebound. Tapik ng bola. Number 16 now on the run. Castillo, the pass intercepted. And Arce now on the ball. Pass to Giao. Giao now. Sinalubog ni Libunaw at may tawag ang ating referee. What's the... Surio on the ball. Signaling his teammates. The pass to Giao. Giao back to Surio, number 13. Top of the key. That's an air ball. And the ball goes out of bounds. And number 7 to Sintiar. Sintiar. No great chance, no good. The ball goes out of bounds. Signaling his teammates. Suryo passing the middle to number 18, Giao. Giao on the attack on the spin at nagkaroon ng tapikan. Awarded for Giao, number 18. First throw on net para kay number 18.
Rep. Thank you, Rep.
Second throw. Yun, nabate. It's number 13, offensive rebound. The pass to Vidal. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Arce on the attack. Arce on the pick. Kicks out. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Vidal. Extra pass. Good ball, good ball. Vidal firing. Vidal missing. Rebound Castillo. Si Char. At pinasa sa walang tao. 39. In favor pa rin ng Alicante. Arce, number 7, firing. Missing. Rebound. Picks up by number 21. The 21 looking for teammate. Passes si Char na iwan sa 3. In and out. Arce on the rebound. Here comes Vidal. Follow number 29, si Tiar. Substitution. Vidal signaling his teammates. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Giao. Number 13, 5 seconds to shoot. Vidal fires. Vidal, ball 2. It's number 18, natapikan, nakaagaw si number 13, pass break, intercepted by Fernandez. Castillo now on the ball. Yes, it's Jar. Looking to pass, number 1 on the sideline, in and out. Here comes Vidal. On the other hand, Vidal, zigzagging, still on Vidal. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Vidal firing and missing. Rebound. Picks up by number 13. Nice pass para kay Giao. Giao for 2. Tumila pa. Reserve timeout. Pass to Biscay. Extra pass to number 29. Si Tiar firing. Missing. Gabriel on the rebound. The pass intercepted. It's number 18. Fires up a 3. No good. Giao on the rebound. Lucas Vidal. Pass to number 7, Arce. Arce attacking. Arce nakabulot ang bola. No good on that shot. Number 8. Second throw is good. Split charity. Is number 16, Castillo. Pass to number 18. Number 18 looking for teammate to number 15. Number 15 attacking, spinning. No good on the layout. Tabi ka ng bola. Here comes number 7 now on the run. Pinakul ni Fernandez. Arce pa rin. Arce. Sa baba pa lang daw. Sabi na 2 free throws awarded for number 7, Arce. First throws good. On the third. Second throw. Second throw no good. It's Armendez on the ball. Nice move by number 1. A drop pass for number 16. Shot was blocked from behind. Armendez on the putback. Armendez for 2.
Side pick.
It's number 13, Suryo, the pass to Vidal. To number 7, Arce. Inside, Giao, spinning, kicks out. Arce firing. Arce missing. Rebound, Giao. The pass, nearly stolen. Here comes Vidal. Attacking the middle. At may sumabit. A ball was... Second throw. Second throw, no good. Last 2 minutes sa ating third quarter. Castillo, the pass to Fernandez. Top of the key, Fernandez looking for teammate to number 1 on the attack. No good on the layup. Tapi ka ng bola. Picks up by number 1, Armendez on the putback. No good, pero may dito ang ating referee. Foul on number 8. Huh? Si number 8? Foul on number 8. Gabriel. Foul down. Foul out na si number 8. Foul out na. Pero
Set lang.
Vidal firing and missing. Rebound. Bongar. Yes, Castillo. Castillo on the drive. Castillo on the layup. Basket is good. 43 is the official score. Lamang pa rin ang Alicante team. Bonus throw para kay Castillo. No good. The rebound para kay Giao. Giao pass to number 13. Surio. Surio to Vidal. Vidal now. Diskarte para sa team Alicante. Surio to Arce. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Arce will fire. Arce no good. Rebound para kay number 18. Fernandez. The pass na nakita si Bomar on the layup. Oy, niluwa na rin ang bola. 1 minute. There's Vidal on the spin. Vidal forcing the issue. No good. Surio on the putback at may sumabit. The foul was committed by number 18. Substitution, Rob. Substitution. Second row. In and out again. No good para kay Surio. 48 seconds. Yes, Gatchalian. No good para kay Batalya. Tapi ka ng bola. Rebound. Nakuha ni Surio. The pass to Arce. A walk in the park. Nilagay sa ring ang bola. 30 seconds. $24. Armendez on the layup. No good. Rebound para sa Team Biskeg. Castillo on the putback. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Oy, nice pass. 5 seconds. Okay, basket tungguling shot. Official score natin.
Sheesh.
54.
What a game!
40. Batalya firing and missing. Rebound para kay Rosales at pinasa sa walang tao. Es Nicolas passing. Oy, nakabot ni Gatchalian and a pass break para kay Gatchalian. 1-on-1. Iniwan para kay Batalya on the spin. Yan, na-spin ng kamay ng Yes, Arce. Kuko deflected. Yes, number 18, Fernandez to Santiago. No look pass to Batalya. Batalya forcing the issue. No good. Rosales on the rebound. Rosales to number 13. Behind the back pass. Iniwan para kay Nicolas. Nicolas on the drive. On the layup. No good. Rosales, the big man. Pass to Yes, Nicolas. Fakes. Oy, inaabot mula sa likod. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good on that shot. Rosales again on the rebound. The minute to Astino forcing the issue. Wala yan. Yes, number 18. Pass para Batalya. Batalya on the zigzag. Oh, yan ang tawag. Para sa Alicante, 2 free throw for Batalya number 27. First throw is good. By charity para kay Batalya. Here is Candelaria on the ball. Nicolas from the parking lot. No good. Rebound for Batalya number 27. Here comes Mistake up and running. Gatchalian. Natapikan. Batalya firing and missing. Rebound. The ball goes out of bounds. There's Arce. Attacking Arce on the layup. No good. Rebound. Pero Salis pa rin. Offensive rebound. Arce on the reverse. Arce for two. Gatchalian na one ball. Gatchalian. May diskarte. Pass to Batalya. On the corner. Batalya for two. There's Arce now. Being guarded by Gatchalian. Arce on the attack, kicks out. Nicolas on the break, on the drive. That's a blocking foul. Bigla kang dumating. Ball intercepted by Batalya. Nabitaw ng bola. Arce, counter steal. Still on Arce. Arce looking to attack. No good on that layup. Rebound para kay Castino. To Nicolas. Fires up. Nicolas no good. And a pass break for Batalya. And hindi na umabot si Candelaria. Uy! Yes, Arce. Arce. Attacking. Uy. First throw is good for Arce. Second throw. Second throw, no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Good ball. And Candelaria on the interception. Candelaria zigzagging. Nagawa mula sa likod. Fernandez now on the right. Fernandez all the way to the basket. Oh, the layup is good. Reserve. Castino to Candelaria. Candelaria to Arce. Arce being handed. Arce creating a space. Still on Arce. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Make it 10 seconds. Here's Arce. 6 seconds to shoot. Arce on the crossover. Arce double crossover. Firing and missing. Rebound by Fernandez. Here comes number 18 now. Pass break para kay Castillo. Castillo on the way. And he's good for two. Exactly 5 minutes on the ball game. Here's Suryo. Inside pass. Back to Suryo again. Suryo. Fighting Nicolas. On the corner. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nice Nicolas. 14. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Armendez zigzagging. And a lucky roll para kay Armendez. Here's Mercado. Pass to Nicolas. Nicolas, top of the key. Firing. Missing. Rebound para sa Team Biscay. Here's Armendez. Being guarded by number 24. Finding Santiago. Santiago. Mid-range shot. No good para kay Santiago. Mercado to Suryo to Giao. Giao 2-on-1. Giao creating a space. No good on that layup. And Vidal nakaagaw. 2-on-2. Vidal on the left. No good. Rebound. Back to Vidal. Vidal. No good pa rin. Giao. Oy. Tawag ang referee. Biscay. Number 27, fourth personal foul, fourth team foul. Unarap, hindi. Wala akong pumasok. Second throw for Giao. Net, split charity para kay Giao. Isa lang pumasok. Yes, Armendez. Armendez. Ay, nakita referee. Aminado naman. And there's still, here's number 15. Para sa Biscay, no good on the layup. Rebound para kay Suryo. Ginawa na ang lahat. Suryo pa rin ang magtitimo ng bola. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Suryo, pass to Vidal. Okay, rep. Ay, sir. Pass to Mercado, nearly intercepted. No? Nakakagaw na nga. Settiar using the board for two. There's Giao. Giao passing the issue, no? Game. Espidal. Vidal on the attack. Vidal no good. Rebound. Settiar. Nakatigat mula sa likod. Suryo on the ball. On the spin. Forcing the issue. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago. Batalya. Batalya. Tingkard by Mercado. Batalya pa rin. Matangkad masyado si Mercado. And bola ng Alicante. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Here's Giao on the attack. Matras ng konti, waiting for his teammates. Pass to Vidal. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Make it 12 seconds to shoot. Is Suryo on the reverse? No. White ball. Last 2 minutes. Yes, Settiar. Ball intercepted. And here comes Suryo. 1-on-1. Suryo on the layup for 2. Es Batalya. Ano mo ba Batalya? Forcing the issue. Butadangin naman kay Mercado. Vidal now on the ball. Vidal. The pass to number 7. No to number 13. To number 7. Arce steps on the break. He waits for a teammate. Yes, Vidal top of the key. Firing and Vidal. 14. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Vidal will fire. That's an elbow. 1 minute exactly on the ball game. Batalya firing, missing. Uy, lumipad si Arce. 50 seconds. Vidal to Giao. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds left. White ball. Last 25 seconds. Oh, no good. Rebound. Mercado. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. 14 seconds. Okay, yan ang ball game. Congratulations, Team Alicante, advancing to the championship round. And congrats also to Team Biskeg. Okay, next game, be ready. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ano pa, awarding ng mga muses. Awarding daw ng mga muse. Habang nandito yung ating judge.